When setting up into our squat rack here, whether we're doing any kind of a pressing, whether we're going to be squatting, you could deadlift or row inside the rack itself as well. We have our J-pegs here for our attachment points that we can fix for the height, as well as our safety bars. We can work the weight off of the safety bars. That may be a little more common for an overhead press. For our circumstance here, let's talk about the J-pegs versus our higher position. This will be where the bar is going to be sitting most of the time. I want to turn outwards as I pull out. Any of these numbers can be used for that attachment points, which would be nice to remember that number when we're setting in. You can kind of use that as a bit of a gauge to know what do I need, what exercise am I doing, how am I positioning my body underneath the bar. So if I know if I'm standing here and I'm looking in the mirror and I want to be loading onto my back for a squat, I'll set up in a position where it's going to be able to rack.
If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you get the updates as soon as possible.
I'm able to wedge myself under the bar without rising up onto the toes, and I can safely move up, move back. For the safety bars, this could be our spotter or some kind of safe exit point based on our stability, based on our range of motion, and having a better stopped fixed point should we reach exhaustion or failure through an exercise. These are going to work in the same fashion. They're just going to be bigger and they're extending out longer. So I'll still rotate outwards. I'm going to have to pull out to get the pin. So if I know whether body weight or just with an empty bar for squat specific, if I know as I'm coming down, I'll position myself inside the safety bars as I'm squatting down so that at my end range for my squat, I'll know, okay, I should probably have the bar here. I'm not going to be able to go down too much lower. So we can check out where I need to position that bar and come back. So if we ever reach that point where we're not going to be able to come back up from the bottom of the squat, we're trying for an additional couple repetitions. We can set the safety bars at an appropriate height where we can sink back down. We can land onto the safety bar appropriately with the weight, and then we can position ourselves forward to get out from under the bar. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like, subscribe button if you like what you see and want to see more. Add a comment into our section. Let us know what you found helpful and where you'd like to see next. New videos coming at you every week.